Today I have something pretty cool planned for today. So I know I say that in all my videos, but this is actually pretty cool. So if you guys seen my last video, it's titled Fishing the Creek After a Downpour. I fished the creek after a downpour, and this is the downpour. It's still kind of rainy out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Pretty sure you can't because of the glare, but it is pretty bad, and we're hopefully going to be able to go down to the creek, and we're going to be going down to one of the parks. You guys have seen me fish at the park before. It's when I caught that cutbow trout. That's the kind of park we're going to. So we're going to have a lot of fun at these parks, and we're hopefully going to take you guys along here, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Let's do it. And also I have to drive my scooter in the rain through a bunch of pathways through town, so we're going to go do this. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we made it down to the creek. I just want to announce something real quick. We are using worms for one, and two, if I catch a cutthroat trout, I am going to try to do catch and cook, because I have realized since they even are natives, if you catch a cutthroat out of here, you can keep it because they are stocked. But first cast today, gotta always announce first cast. Trying to get these trout. I was fishing here. I kind of sneaked a cast, and I actually hooked something nice, but then he got off. You guys, there's a brown trout down here. I seen the spots. Oh my gosh. You guys, there's a big brown trout in here. Come on, baby. There he is. Ooh. I don't know. My hook's obviously not too big. I'm using a 1/4 ounce jig head. There's a brown in here. Dang. Come on, baby, you're here. You're a good fish, too. Come on, bite it. I went down creek fishing the other day, actually yesterday, and I caught a couple brown trout. I filmed that video, but I didn't catch him on camera. There he is. Ooh. So I gotta wait for him to take it, and then when he finally just eats it, I'll set it. It's a good fish, guys. Oh, that was a trout. No way. Alright, I'm not going to even set it until he takes it now. There he is. There he is. There he is. Nope. Here, I'm gonna throw it back down there, and this time I'm just gonna reel until I feel him on there, and then I'll set it. There he is. Oh, you guys, there's a big fish down here, and I don't know why he's not taking in my hook. I have no idea, but I'm not shutting down this video until I catch it because it's big. There he is. Oh, what? It's a catfish. Bye-bye, catfish. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Oh, nice little trout. I'll take it. Nice little rainbow. All right, guys, so that means we're keeping this little guy. So, we're gonna try our best here. We're actually gonna take out the ice here. I'm gonna put him in some freezing cold ice here. We're gonna keep him nice and cold, and just put him in the ice here. He's still thrashing around. I'm not gonna knock him out because I do want to keep him as most alive as possible here. So we're gonna put ice down on him, keep him at that cold rate, and then we're gonna catch some more. That's the fish of the day right here. Alright, nice little rainbow. I'll take it. I guess third fish of the day, nice little rainbow right here. I'm actually gonna have to cut it short here, the video. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. Stay on the barb. See you guys again on the next video. Thanks for watching.